Filling. Drilling ship. Pump. Hooray! Let's drill a freshwater well. Let's repair. Drilling ship. We need to weld a crack on the ship. Let's drag the spray gun along the stain to paint it. Don't stop. Let's drag the part. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Stacker ship. Pump. Amazing! Let's install beams and base. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Sound a blast to clear the way. There is a coral right rudder. There are rocks directly ahead. Right rudder. Great! We got past all the obstacles. We need to straighten the screw. Let's tap on the blade to straighten it with a sledgehammer. Keep up the good work. Filling. Crane ship. Pump. Done. And now, let's load the materials into split barge. Let's drag the hook to the freight car to load materials into the ship. You're doing really great. Let's build the walls of residential houses. First, we have to fill it. Mast crane. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's load the materials into red barge. Keep it up. To finish the bungalow, let's mount the roof. Filling. Blue barge. Pump. Ready. Let's install windows and set up terraces. Let's wash. Blue barge. Move the foamer along the ship to foam it. Drag the washer along the vessel and remove the rest of the foam. Keep up the good work. Let's clean the chain and anchor from rust. Let's drag the spray gun to paint the chain and anchor. Keep up the good work. Let's load the materials into cargo ferry. Don't stop. Let's lay pipes and turn on fresh water. The construction is finished. We made a great place for relaxing.